Hello, today we will guide you through how to start a new year in GnuCash. In this walkthrough, you'll create a fresh file for the new year while keeping your chart of accounts intact and leaving last year's transactions behind. This approach helps you start clean, maintain consistency, and stay organized. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make a safety backup of your current GnuCash file so you can always refer back to prior years. Start by opening the GnuCash application. Once it's up, look to the top left of the window and open the File menu. From there, move your mouse over the Export option to reveal the export choices. Select the option to export your accounts. This exports your account structure, the hierarchy of your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses without bringing along last year's transactions. That's exactly what you want for a new year setup, the same framework. Ready for new activity. An export assistant will appear. Click Next to proceed. When prompted for a file name, choose something clear and year neutral, like Accounts Template or Chart of Accounts New Year, so you'll recognize it later. Next, choose a save location you'll remember, such as a dedicated finance folder. Keeping it somewhere backed up and easy to find reduces the chance of confusion when you import it in a moment. Follow the on-screen procedure to complete the export. Review any summary screen that appears, then confirm to save. After the export finishes, you have a clean template of your account structure ready to go. Now it's time to start the new file. Go back to the File menu and choose New File to create a fresh GnuCash file for the new year. Follow the on-screen prompts. When the assistant offers an option to bring in or select an account structure, point it to the export file you just saved. Confirm your choice and proceed through the prompts. This will load your entire chart of accounts into the new file without any prior year transactions, so your balances start at zero and you can begin recording the New Year's activity. When the import completes, save the new file with a clear year-specific name, such as GnuCash 2026 or Business Books 2026, so it's easy to distinguish from last year's file. Keep your prior year file archived for reference and reporting as needed. If your workflow requires opening balances or scheduled transactions, you can add them in this new file after setup. That's it. You've exported your account structure, created a new GnuCash file, and imported your accounts to start a clean new year with confidence.